Hi, I'm Grateful Ted. Thanks for being here because I really appreciate the time that you invest in watching these videos. Now, one of the places that Debbie and I used to love to come to is the Portland Winter Light Festival. It happens all over the city. There's light art on buildings, in the street, on bicycles, on people, and I'm here this week. They're also going to be next weekend, but I'm here this week in honor of Debbie. So come on, let's go see some winter lights. This year is the 10th anniversary of the Winter Light Festival. And let's see what we can do here. This sort of reminds me of when we went to Hopscotch, if you've seen that video. What's happening here is these guys are getting ready for the silent disco. You rent headphones and you put them on and you dance, and nobody can hear anything except the people who have headphones. And each of these DJs are playing a different kind of dance music. I'm here fairly early, but later tonight this place will be crammed with dancers with headphones on, and the headphones are lit, so you see people's lit headphones because it's a light festival.
if I wear this at Christmas, I wear this all the time. It's a lot more fun.
Yes, thank you for asking.
Thank you. All right.
Get ready to see me?
That's a block of ice there that people are putting their handprints on, it looks like. So that's the Portland Winter Light Festival. I hope you liked it. What did you like? Comment down below. What didn't you like? Comment down below. And if you made it this far, give yourself a pat on the back because you deserve it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. I can always use subscribers, so think about subscribing. We've got something completely different. We have something sort of different again next week. So we will see you next week.